configurations, any kind of global configurations, automatically we can modify in purpose. Okay, see this is a URL is Jenkins URL. Okay, address not configure. This is a Jenkins URL. Straight away you can go to down. Okay, see this. Straight away you can go to down. Straightly URLs. All the URLs also available. See this GitHub URL and default notification URL, advanced level, top level, Git plugin also there, and stream server also there, and email notifications, and Maven. Maven option also available. Please check. I want to check here. System configuration, metrics, in Google Builder and enable the reschedules, delivery configurations, and access key configurations, administrative configurations, default notification URL, and GitHub URL, and GitHub containers, build timer plugin, and enable the build action. Check the Maven. Maven is visible actually. Email notification. Okay, this option is not available. We can go to second option. Okay. We'll enable reschedules. I want to check the Maven configuration. Once Maven configuration is visible, automatically the configuration was successfully done. Okay, now we'll go to manage Jenkins again. Dashboard, manage Jenkins. Now we'll go to tools. Configuration tools are related. Is there available or not? We can check it. The invoke Maven configurations is available or not? Check. There are options. So once we have to build the application, we can check the Jenkins dashboard, all the options also we can check. Otherwise, we have to build. It's a very lengthy process. Okay. So approximately we can meeting starts on 10:30, like a servers were starting. Okay, now we can check Maven version. It's visible, I think. See this. Maven installations, Gradle installations, and Git installations, and JDK Maven configurations. See this Maven configurations. See, and default settings also available. Don't need to go that Maven configuration. See, add Maven installation. Add Maven. See, add Maven is available, right? And the required name is Maven. Okay, required name is Maven. And what is the latest version available? 3.9.12 available in the latest version. Okay, now I want to take another. Okay, two configurations I want to take here. The name is Maven. Okay, Maven, and I will take the 3.9.11 version. One Maven I want to take the 3.9.11 version. Another one is 3.9.12 version I want to take. The name is Maven. Okay. In the small things, spelling mistakes also very important, guys. Okay. Maven 3.9.12 version I want to take, and Maven 3.9.11 version also take, and I want to configure the Maven. Okay, now how to configure the Maven? Now I will go to ICICI Bank Dev project. Now I will go to configure. The configuration is available, console output available, manage available, ICICI Bank dashboard available. Okay, now this is the configuration dashboard, right? This is the configuration dashboard. Straight away. Repository is available and main is available, and next see this clean package is available, right? Clean package is available. Clean package is available. Okay. Next, see add build steps. Okay, add build steps, invoke top level Maven targets. Now we can click on that. See this invoke top level Maven targets. Once you can click now, see the version is available. See the version. I want to go here Maven. Goal is a clean package. Already invoke top level and yeah, that is a goal and invoke top level Maven version. Okay, Maven version and one is I want to take a 3.9.12 version. The version is not available. No problem. Okay, it's visible after that. Clean package. Clean package. See, this goal is clean package. Okay, Maven, add Maven, and clean package. Version is available. And to manage Jenkins and console outputs, manage Jenkins and ICIC Bank Dev, manage configurations and system configuration. No need to system configuration. I want to close here. Dashboard is available, ICIC Bank. Okay. This is a Maven and gold is clean package. If you want to add another, yeah, it's possible. Just you can add it. That's it. Advanced. No need of advanced. Okay. So invoke top level Maven targets. Okay, add Maven, name 3.8.6 and goal is clean package. Okay, no need this. Okay, I want to clear, close here. Okay, close here. Okay, this is Maven and clean package. Which version I want to take? 3.9.11, right? So Maven is visible. If you want to add, see Maven 3.9.11 or if you want to mention the version in a name, automatically the name also is visible. Okay. Clean package goal and Maven version I want to take and save and build. It's loaded. Now I want to go to build here. Okay, 3.9.1 or whatever it we can set. Next, it's a versions also it's visible in Jenkins dashboard, no problem. Okay. Now I want to build now. So next triggering is fourth triggering, fourth build. Okay, it's a build or not, we can check. Whatever the version it's visible, whatever the output we have to do, and we can check. Going to console output. Output is visible, is loaded. The console output is very slow. See this downloading from central repository and the progress 912B and progress 41 KB download from central and downloading from central repository. Observing that guys, first I am taking get repo, next I am taking the Maven build configuration and the Maven goal is clean package and the configuration of 3.9.12. The Maven configurations modifying into settings option. Okay. Once we can configure, after that it's visible. Okay. So this is a Maven build application. This is a Jenkins, power of Jenkins, continuous integration, continuous delivery. See this download from central repository, packing web app and assembling web app and building where and success. 11.85 seconds is there and finished at success. Now output is there. Output is where is the output? So the fourth output is available. See the fourth output. The code is successfully built into Maven configurations. Okay, the code is successfully built into Maven configurations. Okay, Maven configurations. And the Maven configurations we have to check now. Yeah, it's possible guys, no problem. So it's easily we can check. So once we have to go to dashboard of Jenkins dashboard, automatically it's visible in Maven version. Okay, automatically it's visible in Maven version. And okay, I will show after that. And going to next, going in SonarQube, right? So Maven is completed and Git is completed. Next we have to go to SonarQube dashboard. Already SonarQube is dashboard is running, right? SonarQube dashboard is running, right? Now we can go to so the code. Where is the code of see, this is the code in pom.xml file, right? In the pom.xml file, the token is available. Application here, and previously in the SonarQube this code, password and admin is available, right? Admin and password. Now I want to remove these two stages. Okay, I want to remove the two stages. I want to add the token. Guys, token configuration. Please send me the token configuration. Anyone? Token configuration is there, right? Just you can send me the token configuration immediately. Now I want to modify that. Already I want to trigger here, right? So now I want to take the public IP. This is a public IP. Copy here, and I want to add the code. This is a freestyle project, right? So now I want to add here. Okay, this is a public IP of SonarQube project, and please share the token configuration. Token configuration, please share. Token configuration in the sense like a pattern, architecture. మీరు టోకెన్ యాడ్ చేశారు కదా pom.xml ఫైల్లో, మీరు ఒక నోట్ ప్యాడ్లో కాపీ చేసుకుని ఉంటారు కదా, ఆ టోకెన్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ నాకు షేర్ చేయండి. So now I want to create one token, guys, new token, administrator, my account, and security credentials, and now I want to token the SonarQube token. Okay, SonarQube, and select the token, user token, and 30 days, generate. Okay, this is my token actually. Guys, okay, I already shared it here. This is a token. Okay, now I want to paste here this. Okay, so previously I'm using in this code and pattern. Meeru kuda same user ID password undanukondi, just you can remove the user ID password from a GitHub account. Okay, otherwise you can add the stage into that GitHub account. So now today we have to implement the freestyle project. Okay, so that's the reason I want to add the URL and I want to add the SonarQube token. Okay, now it's working. Without spaces also not working, just no spaces, just you can add it. Okay, in the token. Now I want to commit changes. Already this code was connected into Jenkins dashboard, right? In the Jenkins dashboard. So now going to ICICI Bank Dev, and I want to create the token and I want to add the public IP also. Okay, now I want to change here. Okay. Now Jenkins dashboard, click configure, and there is a configure. This is a console output. Okay, and ICICI Bank. Now I'll go to configure. Now I'll configure the SonarQube. Okay. So much of time will take in configuration purpose. All servers is running, guys, so that is the reason. Okay, now scroll down. Goals is there, right? Clean package is available, and the next goals. Okay, I want to change here. Clean package is available, right? Now we can remove the clean package. Uh, Clean package. Add. What is the command of build command? Sonar :sonar. Okay. So clean sonar : sonar. Clean sonar : sonar and package. This is a command. Okay. Clean sonar : sonar and package. Now I want to configure that, right? Now I want to build, save here. Now next step is build. So whether build is success or not, we can check. Okay. Now build is successfully or not, we can check. So now I want to do the build configuration. Now we can, this is a fifth build. Okay, build is scheduled. Directly straight away we can go to console output. And this dashboard, see, it's loaded. This kind of output, it's loaded. Now there is any kind of errors we have to face now. See, fifth build is a console output. So this fifth build console output we can check. Okay, this is the fourth build. I can remove here. So output is done. Fifth build is console output. You go to SonarQube dashboard, projects here. See, the project is available. Guys, before you can remove this project. Okay. So delete option is available. Once you can open this project. Okay. And the delete option also available. Issues and home clean and password. So before you can delete the project, guys. Okay, otherwise application is moving on, right? You can delete. Options is available actually. Import about platform, open web application, and actions, and open here. Issues for activity. See this activity and date. Okay, so now my project is successfully passing into this project. Okay, ICICI Bank down. See, this fifth build is successfully done. Manage engine and dashboard. So now we'll refresh the dashboard. See, ICICI Bank dev project. Fifth build is successfully done, right? The console output. See here. SonarQube project. The code is quality successfully done, right? Build a success. Okay, build success. SonarQube is successfully build. Okay, fifth build and ICICI Bank done. See this green color. If the green color is successfully, the output was done. And next we have to go to Nexus. Okay, what is the Nexus configurations? You can go to Nexus dashboard and we can go to browse option. See this browse option. See ICICI Bank snapshot repository and Nexus repository. Now I want to take here, copy the ICICI Bank release repository. Okay, ICICI Bank release repository. Go into GitHub account and I want to click on edit option. Okay, now distribution management. Right, now I want to take the distribution management. See this distribution management. And we can check the repository 172.31. and 154. 172. The IP was completely changed, guys. Now I want to add the release repository. Okay. Don't confuse. I'm taking the repositories. ICICI Bank release repository. This is a snapshot. Now I want to take the release repository. Okay. Now I want to remove here. Now I want to remove here. Okay, control V is a release repository. Okay, now I want to add the snapshot repository. Going to dashboard. This is a release repository, right? I'll close here and going to snapshot here and going to back here and going to copy here. Straight away I'll go to copy and I'll add the modifications into code Okay, just see this is space. The space is very important. Okay, and copy. Okay, so now I want to go the copy here in this repository. One is snapshot repository, another one is release repository without spaces also. Okay, see this in URL some is missing. Okay, release repository and snapshot repository, no spaces. Okay, please check everything, no spaces. Now commit changes. So commit changes, what is the meaning of commit changes? The commit changes in the sense like whatever the distribution release management we have to do, that kind of configuration we can implement that, right? And next we have to go to configure that and configure the ICICI Bank dev project. Going here, and this is a console output and manage Jenkins and ICICI Bank, and going to manage Jenkins dashboard and ICICI Bank dev. Okay, now we'll go to configure here. Where is that? See this configure. Slightly right click. ICICI Bank configure here. It's loaded. Now I want to go to so it's loaded now. So that time we have to go to Jenkins dashboard. Where is the Jenkins? I think this. So this is a Jenkins dashboard, right? Okay. See, this is the Jenkins dashboard, right? This is the Jenkins dashboard. Now I am in Jenkins part. No, not available. Yeah. Now I want to go to Jenkins part. So how to go to Jenkins part? Using the change the directory. Okay. Every time. Now I am in Jenkins path. Observing that in Jenkins path some related configuration files was available. Is tools, observing that tools, what is the purpose of using in tools? Like a related configuration files, any kind of information files was available. LS. See this Hadoop tasks Maven installation is successfully done. Okay, now we'll go to this part. Whatever the version I will go, before I will take one version, right? Maven 3.9.1 and 3.9.11, right? The version is visible now. See, Maven, right? Whatever the version, once you have to mention 3.9.12, it's visible. I'm not mention actually. Okay, the name is Maven. It's visible in Maven, right? It's visible in Maven, right? So I want to configure the build action, right? I want to configure the build action, right? It's automatically it's visible. Okay. It showing in 3.9.1 Maven version is visible. The Maven name is visible. If you can add the 3.9.5, it's visible, no problem. Okay. And the next we can configure the Nexus. Okay, we can configure the Nexus. Now we'll go to console output, manage Jenkins, ICICI Bank dev, and ICICI Bank configuration. Yeah, this configuration is I want, right? And the finally, the clean sonar package is available, right? Now package is deployed. Okay, so clean package is done. That is a Maven. Clean sonar build is done, right? And git source code manage is done, right? Next, finally, the deploy. The deploy purpose you have to using the Maven version. Clean sonar package is deployed, right? Now we can go to save and build. Hmm. Now we can build. So it's a done build project and I want to configure the repositories. Okay, if repositories is done or not, we can check. This is a console output, it's loaded. It's loaded. Go to console output. Okay, now I want to check the console output guys. This is a Git related console output. ICICI Bank dev project and Maven web application.rar file. This is a fifth build. Before see guys, snapshot is visible. See this pom.xml file and snapshot is visible. Then again we can check. Okay, the build is successfully done. Again I want to build here, build scheduled, 6th build. We can check. Sixth build is failure. What is the reason? We can check. Okay, console output. The 6th build is failure. See. You could not transfer the metadata.com Maven web application and an access. And yeah, we can configure that guys. Okay. And the fail to execute rule Apache Maven plugin and default deploy project Maven web application failed a remote metadata. Okay, so the issue is, what is the issue? Maven targets and market build failure. Build step invoke top level Maven targets like the former information and solutions. Okay, now we can go into cross. I want to remove here. Okay, I want to remove these two repositories. So how to remove these repositories? So first I want to remove and next I want to create again. Okay. Go into browse option. Go into browse here. Go into browse and open here. Okay, and that's open. First we can sign in. Admin and admin. Okay. And go into repositories and open here. And now I want to remove here. Okay. Remove option also available. Delete the repository. Okay. delete the repository, and I want to delete the repository. Again, I want to create it as a freshly because sometimes it's not acceptable. Okay.
అయిపోయిందా కట్ చేస్తున్నాను
This is a release repository. That's it. That's it. That is a release repository. And next, I want to create another repository. Maven to hoster. And second one is snapshot. Okay. That's it. I want to add these two repos in. Going to browse option. Just 1 second.